Hello, this is me seed to sprout. It looks good, right? No vegetable field required. You can grow potatoes at home. Since I learned this method, potatoes have never been bought again. Let me share my planting process below. Divide the potato in two. Let the incision surface be evenly coated with plant ash. And they did the same thing. Plant ash has a healing effect on wounds. Accelerate wound healing. Promote plant rooting. Prepare a flower pot. Spread coconut bran on the bottom. Then add river sand. Bury the potatoes in the sand. Sprinkle a layer of sand on the surface. Finally, a layer of coconut bran is sprinkled. Water. After 12 days, the scene of the artifact appeared. You can see that the potatoes have grown roots. Dig out the other potatoes. This is no woven bag at home. It's a lot easier to grow at home. Put the planting soil in a woven bag. Dig a small hole with your hands. Bury the rooted potatoes in it. Then cover with a layer of soil. Don't forget to water it after it's all planted. After 25 days, it has grown more than 10 centimeters in height. This is my pre-fermented banana water. It is very helpful for the growth of potatoes. It also eliminates the risk of using chemical fertilizers. And 40 days later, the whole bag was covered with leaves. Next, I will do a simple nail for him. After 50 days, cut the rotten banana. Buried away from the roots. 75 days later, it continues to skyrocket tonight. It feels almost there. Cut the bag open and see what's inside. The first potato was not small. Does such a big bunch weigh 2.5 kilograms? Open the other woven bags. Don't mention how happy you are at this time. Compared to harvesting so many potatoes. And more importantly, the experience of growing. If you also enjoy gardening and arbitration, you might as well try it out. It will definitely bring you a lot of harvest. Today's sharing is here. If you like it, remember to follow it. Retweets and likes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.